Hello guys, welcome back to Elan App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Discovery Plus error 11819. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you encounter an AV Foundation error domain 11819 error on your Apple TV or iOS device, resolving it requires a simple device restart. So you need to follow the following steps. So for you to do this on your Apple TV, first is disconnect both your TV and Apple TV device from power for approximately 2 minutes. Reconnect both power both devices back on, launch the Discovery Plus app, and attempt to watch content again. Now for iPhone or iPad, press the and hold the side button along with one volume button until the power off slider appears on your screen. Now slide the slider to power off your device. After waiting for about 10 seconds, press the sleep awake button located on the right side of your device, turn it back on, and open the Discovery Plus app and try accessing videos or content once more. Now these steps should effectively resolve this issue or error here, allowing you to resume your viewing experience without further interruption. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan App. Thank you for watching.